Welcome to ACAwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix IRS rejection errors on your forms. So from your dashboard, if you have multiple businesses in your account, you're going to click on the correct one. Then you will go to ACA forms here for the correct tax year. And in the list of forms, under form approval, you'll see the filing status, either accepted by the IRS or rejected. If it's rejected, you can click on that and you will see a list of the errors in the form. You can export these errors and you'll get a file that you can open in a spreadsheet. So you'll have a list of the errors and an error message with an explanation. You can then make adjustments directly in this file, save it, and then back in your account, upload it again here and click upload. Then this new file will be processed. Thank you for making ACAwise your ACA reporting solution. If you have further questions, you can reach our support team by phone at 704-954-8420 or by email at support@acawise.com.